Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we have what I believe is the best Aqua Screen drinking water test kit, the Instant 4-in-1 TDS meter digital water tester. If you're drinking water from an RO system, using tap water, checking your aquarium, or just want reassurance your water is safe, this little meter could be your best friend. This compact digital meter is designed to measure total dissolved solids, electrical conductivity, and water temperature, giving you real-time water quality readings in just a few seconds. It works by measuring how well your water conducts electricity. Dissolved minerals and salts make the water conductive, and the meter converts that conductivity to a TDS reading in parts per million. Using it is simple. Power on the meter, dip its probe into a sample of water, wait a few seconds, and read the value displayed on the screen. Because it also measures conductivity and temperature, you get a more complete idea of how mineralized or contaminated your water might be. This is useful for drinking water, aquariums, hydroponics, or pool maintenance. Keep in mind that this meter gives you a general idea of water quality. It tells you how many dissolved solids are present overall, but it doesn't identify specific contaminants or indicate whether they are harmful or harmless. For detailed water safety, such as detecting heavy metals or chemicals, you would need a full lab-based water test. For everyday quick testing, such as checking whether your RO system is working properly or whether your tap water looks safe, this Instant 4-in-1 meter is a great and easy-to-use tool. Its portability and convenience mean you don't need any special setup. Just dip it in water and get instant readings. In upcoming videos, I'll show real-world examples such as testing Chennai tap water, RO outlet water, and aquarium water. We'll see how the readings vary and discuss what they mean for water quality and safety. If you're curious about how to interpret TDS values or how this meter compares to a full water testing kit, let me know in the comments and I'll cover that next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.